Alright guys, as you can see, the rocker panel is on and everything is tight there. So let's gonna leave it overnight and we're gonna come back tomorrow morning and this rocker panel is gonna be dry like a solid rock tomorrow, and we can start grinding it tomorrow. After that, we can put a good fiberglass there, the long strand fiberglass, and after that we can put a short strand, and this rocker panel is gonna be good. So guys, stay tuned and see you tomorrow. Good morning and welcome back to the job here. Right now it's pretty dry. These clamps here are ready to take off. So let's start taking this apart, grind it good. I'm gonna put a fiberglass on this thing, good fiberglass, sand everything. So we're doing the fiberglass thing. We're gonna fast forward the video so that it will not take more longer, and we're gonna start taking this C-clamps out, grind this area here that needs to be grind, and put the fiberglass. So stay tuned and enjoy watching. Let's finish this whole job as soon as we can. Let's go! Okay, here guys, before we gonna fast forward the video of spraying the rocker panel, I'll show you guys here everything. I took the rear doors apart, and here it's already cleaned up, and I put a fiberglass where the rust here, and I grounded everything there like nice and clean before I put a fiberglass. So it's same thing as the other door, the right rear door. So we just spray with a rocker guard. So we're gonna mask it up, and then I'm gonna spray with a rocker guard. Okay, I'll show you here. Everything is cleaned up too. Look at that. New rocker panel, nice and clean, professionally done. Right on. So this guys is ready to spray the rocker guard. I'm gonna paint after 1 hour. The rocker guard's dry. I'm gonna paint it black. So I'm gonna show you other side too. Everything is ready. So right there, look at that, nice and smooth. So you can see no rust anymore. No more rust, guys. So everything underneath, before I put that the rocker guard, there's a fluid film underneath, and it's painted. Unlike the other guys doing rocker panel, you just stick it in and didn't put anti-rust there or something that protects in the future. But this one, this is protected. Behind this of this panel, there's a anti-rust paint and coated with another paint, and there's a fluid film behind it. So that's it, guys. Very durable, and it will gonna last long. Okay, we're gonna spray that one. We're gonna mask it first. I'm gonna spray the whole rocker panel and the inside of the door, rear doors. Okay guys, stay tuned and watch the whole video. Enjoy watching. Let's gonna start and fast forward with doing this so that it will not take longer. Okay, stay tuned. Enjoy watching. All right, everything is masked up here really good. Look at that, ready to spray. And as you can see here guys, everything is really good masking. And you can see the two lines there, the tape. First tape is the rocker guard, the end of the rocker guard, and the second tape, that's the end of the paint. So when you spray the rocker guard, you have to take up the first line first. It's easy and fast. That's the way of doing it. Professionally done and easier to pull the tape out quickly because you don't want that thing to stick there, get hard. So right here too, you cover that so that you don't make an overspray. See here, that's the right hand side of the vehicle. Right on, perfect. Same thing as the other side. All right guys, everything is fully masked up, ready to spray. All right, stay tuned and let's do the job of spraying the rocker guard. But before we're gonna spray the rocker guard, guys, we have to make sure we're gonna prime it first. Spray the primer because there's a little bit bare metal here. Like here, there's a fiberglass. So you have to make sure, the way of doing it, you have to make sure you have to spray the primer first, or the etch primer, and then after the primer will dry, you can spray with the rocker guard. Same thing as here. So you have to apply, we have to apply the primer first, etch primer, and then apply the rocker guard after it's dry a bit. Rocker guard will dry like around 1 hour. It depends on what you're spraying. There's some rocker guard that dries for 4 to 6 hours, so you have to wait 4 hours to 6 hours if you have 4 hours to dry. But this one I'm applying only 1 hour, so it's gonna be quicker and it's good. So it's gonna spray the primer first.
Alright guys, we're going to spray in a base nut. Nice photo. Okay, let's go for some food. There we go, good. Okay, second coat on this right hand side. Okay, let's go. We're gonna put it clear. One is so cool. Alright guys. There we go. Okay. Alright guys, gonna apply the clear coat. It's gonna be shiny rocker gold. Let's go. I'll go on the side and spray top on the side too. First smoke done. Gonna add more totals after 5 minutes. Okay, here's the second, the final coat. So, pretty good. Don't occupy the whole side. So let's spray the final coat. Alright, the driver's side is done. I'm gonna go on the side. Perfect.